single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
So today's topic is during our conversation. So I have listed down few. So today's topic is some basic myths or basic questions about homeopathic medicines which patient often ask us during our conversations. So I have listed down few basic questions. Now let's start with it. So the first myth is homeopathic medicine is for long-term diseases and not for short-term or acute diseases. So that is not true at all. Homeopathic medicine works miraculously in acute diseases and short-term diseases as good as they give results in chronic diseases. For example, patient is having fever or cold and coryza since morning. Homeopathic medicine is there to help you. Patient is having diarrhea, dysmenorrhea, menorrhagia, any kind of abdominal pain or any acute diseases, homeopathic medicine can work miraculously, because in any given case, to give relief or to give results, all homeopathic medicines need is to match the symptoms. So it doesn't matter whether you are suffering from that particular disease for one day or for 1 year or for 10 years. All you need is your properly matched homeopathic medicine, and you can get results really fast. Now, second myth is there must be so many food restrictions, just like Ayurveda and homeopathy also. So no, that is not true at all. There are no food restrictions in case of homeopathic. The only thing you need to take care of is whenever you take homeopathic medicine, before 15 minutes and after 15 minutes of taking medicine, you should not eat or drink anything. Why? Because when you put homeopathic medicine on your tongue or under your tongue, it works through our neuron system, and that's why patients are advised to keep their mouth clean 15 minutes before and 15 minutes after taking the homeopathic medicines. Otherwise, there are no such food restriction. There are some patients who we advise not to eat raw onion and garlic and drink too much coffee, because we have homeopathic medicines which are made from garlic, onion and coffee, and sometimes it altered the action of homeopathic medicine we have chosen for the patient. So in some patients we advise patients not to drink coffee or eat raw garlic and onion. Otherwise, there are no such food restrictions in related to particularly homeopathic medicines. Now let's jump to the next question. It is oftenly asked questions again. Patient asks that doctor, I am already on allopathic medication for so and so disease and I want to take homeopathic medicines too. So can I take homeopathic medicine along with allopathic medication? So our answer is yes. You can take homeopathic medicine and allopathic medicine together. All you need to do is keep gap of 30 minutes between homeopathic medicines and allopathic medicines. But yes, you can take them both. Now the next question is, there is also a widespread stigma that all the homeopathic medicines look same, that white, round, small balls. So yes, all the homeopathic medicines look same like that white round balls, because what you see, that balls, that are only medium, or we say in our homeopathic language, they are a vehicle in which we sprinkle homeopathic dilutions. So the actual medicine is those dilutions which we sprinkle on that white balls, and all the homeopathic dilutions are colorless. So that's why no matter which medicine you sprinkle on that white balls, all the medicines look same white colored balls after that balls absorb the dilution or absorb the medicines. Let's move to the next question. It is very interesting. See, when a patient come for the first consultation or taking homeopathic medicine for the first time, after case taking, when we prescribed medicine and they received the medicine, they often feel surprised with the quantity of the medicine. And many patients ask that, doctor, are you sure this quantity of medicine is enough for me, because I have taken injections, I have taken this size of pills, and here I am without any kind of relief. So are you sure about the quantity? So I want to tell you, all of you and those patients, that rest assured, homeopathy is 200-year-old method of medicine, and the way it works, it is very complex. So I cannot explain it to you the whole method, how it works or how it cure the disease, but you can search online if you are very interested how it works. Homeopathic medicine has given tremendous results in acute diseases, in grievous diseases, in those diseases where surgery is the only option. So I can say that this is not the time to question it. I think this is the time to experience it and believe in it. Next question. Okay, let me share one incident with you guys. I had one female patient, 45 years of age. She came for the first time. I did the case taking, prescribed her medicine for 15 days. After 15 days, her husband came to get the same medicine. So I asked her husband that how is she feeling now, and her husband said she is very happy with the medicine. So I asked that why didn't she come and send you to get the medicine, and he replied, she didn't come because you asked so many questions. And I'm like, yes, I am a homeopathic physician. I ask too many questions. Asking too many questions, we try to see the patient at his or her core, and our attempt is to individualize that patient according to their unique characteristic and match them to the best suitable medicines. That's why we ask so many questions about mental plan as well as physical plan. So last but not the least question is, people ask that we have taken homeopathic medicine before and there were no results. So is it possible that homeopathic medicine do not give results? Well, it depends on the scenario in which you took the medicine and how you took the medicine. Let me explain. Suppose you are having some symptoms. So instead of consulting a qualified homeopathic physician, you Google your symptoms. You ask Google that I am having this symptoms. Please suggest me some homeopathic medicine. And Google will suggest that this homeopathic medicines are helpful in your particular symptoms. So you took that medicine without proper knowledge of medicinal effect, dosage, repetition, potency, and how to take it. And there will be no results. But it's not fault of homeopathy. You didn't get any result because you took over the counter prescription. So it is not fault of homeopathy. The other scenario in which you don't get proper result is polypharmacy. There are so many patent products available in the market with the name of disease. For example, migraine combination, constipation combination, diarrhea combination, asthma combination, sleeplessness combination. In this patent product, they use more than 3 or 4 medicines for that particular symptoms or particular disease, with a thought that if one not, then other medicine will help you to subside your symptoms. It may subside your symptoms, but it is not going to cure your disease from the roots. Your symptoms may subside, but it will reappear again. So in this case also, you will not get permanent result with homeopathic medicines. So this is it for today. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you have more questions about homeopathy, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Be safe, be happy.